Jantar Mantar is now completely empty. All the protesters have been removed by security forces and police forces. In fact, the stage where Mr. Sonam Wangchuk was staging a hunger strike has also been completely destroyed by the police forces. This Jantar Mantar has been completely jam-packed for the past 1 month or so, ever since the Cockroach Janata Party's protest began. And of course, the protest really gained a lot of momentum after Mr. Sonam Wangchuk declared an indefinite hunger strike. He's still on a hunger strike, by the way. That's what his wife has announced. And now all the protesters who've been removed from Jantar Mantar have now come out, and this is where they are staging a sort of a sit-in. This is a huge group of students which is continuing to raise slogans, which is continuing to demand Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. So their spirits are still high, but now as far as central Delhi is concerned, the situation seems to be normal, given the fact that what we witnessed today was completely unprecedented. There was police brutality that was unleashed on protesters. There were some isolated incidents of violence on the part of protesters as well. But now the situation, normalcy has been restored, but peaceful protests here continue. And Jantar Mantar, which has been an epicenter of this massive protest, this has really been a tipping point as far as the youth movement in India is concerned. That Jantar Mantar is now completely empty. All the protesters have been removed.